Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a brow video with something that I got from TikTok shop. I'll check and see if they sell it on Amazon. If they do, I'll link it in the description. Big point, because I got somewhere to go. I'm going to go eat lunch with my daughter today. So this is all that's in the package. It's kind of cute. I like this. Is really cute. So y'all about to see me try this for the first time. So let me do it on my hand first. Let me see what the... Oh, yeah, very light pressure. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see that, but can you see it? Okay, there we go. So I'm going to try it. Let's see what happens. Very, very light pressure, because clearly we don't need a lot. Ooh, it's very pigmented. And I think I got brown, black, black, brown. But you can see I'm like not putting any pressure on this because... Ooh. I'm gonna leave the front alone because I don't want it to be too thick and dark. I'm so nervous because I don't really know how this is going. I might have to clean this up with some concealer. Ugh, that's what I didn't want to do. God, I can't be out here looking crazy. It's like I don't have any control of how thick or thin I do my brows. I mean, I do feel like it looks very hair-like. It's darker. It's definitely darker than my eyebrows. I don't know, y'all. What y'all think? Y'all gonna have to let me know. But I got to go because I'm about to go eat lunch with my baby. So I'm gonna do this other eyebrow. I'm gonna walk around. And let me tell you, if my little one doesn't like it, she has no problem telling me. So that's gonna be the test for me. Try this fully, which I don't think is gonna do anything because this is a liquid product. But let's see. Oh, it actually is kind of lightening it up a little bit. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna do my other brow how I normally do it, and I'm just gonna kind of compare. And then maybe I'll put a little bit of this in there just for like some added brush strokes. I typically use this Morphe pencil as my go-to all the time, every day. I literally do my brows in the car at the red light on my way to work. And this is my favorite one because I feel like when I wear this and no makeup, it looks perfect. Like it looks very hair-like. So we gonna compare these brows and y'all let me know what y'all think. And I don't know, I don't know, y'all. I don't know what I'm doing today. I just know I'm on a time limit. But maybe I'm delirious because, you know, there's a such thing as brow blindness. So y'all can let me know. But this is my typical everyday red light eyebrow. And you see how quick I do it. I literally do one at the first red light and the other at the second. It's like the quickest thing ever. So this is how I typically wear my eyebrow. And then this is what we have today. So maybe I'm just gonna, let me see if I can just create like a little line to give it a little bit more definition. I don't know, y'all. My daughter gonna be talking about me. I don't like it. Maybe because I'm not used to a dark brow, but I'm gonna keep it because at this point I can't go backwards. So it's gonna be brown one. So I guess so I don't look so crazy. What I'm gonna do is add a little of this TikTok brow here so that way I can get like a little, what you call it, little uniformity. That's not even a word, but y'all know what I'm trying to say. So they can at least look like cousins. Because right now they looking like strangers. Might have went too heavy right there. I just want it to look as similar as possible. Now I'm starting to kind of like it, but I'm wondering if I should go ahead and just beat my face real quick, because I feel like this is more of like I don't know what it looks like on camera, but I'm gonna tell y'all, from far away, I could see how this could look like, girl, you got brows. But then when I'm looking at it up close, it's like, girl, is that paint on your face? So it's definitely giving like a makeup brow. It's not, I don't know, y'all, it's not horrible, but it's not shot camera thing too. It's all over the place. I'm gonna go put some makeup on and I'm gonna hurry up because like I said, I gotta go. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so this is me in my car with a little, I just use like a tinted foundation, what you call it, tinted moisturizer and a little bronzer. And I put a little in the crease of my eyes so you can kind of see I got a little mustache, but that's okay. But I like it. I think I'm gonna order a lighter color because it's a little dark for me, because I normally do like a more brown, just to kind of like, I don't know, because I really don't have no hair, so it's like it's weird to see me with like black, but I like it. What do you think about my eyebrows?
They're ugly.
You don't like them?
No.
Are they that bad?
Yes. Why do you look like that? You look like Gru.
I'm gonna go on TikTok shop and order the lighter color, and I'm gonna be back with y'all in a couple weeks. So let me know what y'all think of this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'm gonna see y'all on my next video. Let me go eat lunch with my broke bestie. Bye. What do you think about my eyebrows?
They're ugly.
You don't like them?
No.
Are they that bad?
Yes. Why do you look like that? You look like Gru.